Goosebumps. Have you ever noticed small bumps suddenly appearing on your skin when you feel cold or scared? These are called goosebumps. This reaction is a leftover from human evolution. Thousands of years ago, our ancestors had thick body hair. When they felt cold or threatened, tiny muscles under the skin contracted, making the hair stand up. Standing hair trapped warm air near the skin, keeping the body warm. It also made them look larger to predators. Even though humans lost most body hair, the reflex still exists. That's why goosebumps appear when we feel cold, scared, or emotional. Sometimes it even happens when listening to music or watching movies. It's a small reminder of our evolutionary past. Yawning. Have you ever noticed that when one person yawns, others around them suddenly feel the urge to yawn too? Yawning is one of the most common and mysterious human reflexes. Scientists believe yawning helps regulate the temperature of the brain. When we are tired or sleepy, the brain can slowly become warmer. Yawning causes us to take a deep breath and stretch the jaw muscles. This increases blood flow and brings more oxygen to the brain. As a result, the brain cools down slightly and becomes more alert. Another interesting fact is that yawning is contagious. Even seeing someone yawn, hearing about yawning, or thinking about it can make you yawn. Scientists believe this may be connected to empathy and social behavior in humans. Yawning is also seen in many animals, including dogs, cats, and even birds. So the next time you yawn, remember, your body might just be cooling down your brain. Heart reaction. Have you ever noticed how your heart suddenly starts beating faster when you feel scared or stressed? This reaction is part of the body's natural survival system called the fight or flight response. When the brain detects danger, it quickly sends signals through the nervous system. At the same time, the body releases a hormone called adrenaline. Adrenaline prepares the body to react quickly to danger. It makes the heart beat faster and pumps more blood to the muscles. This extra blood gives muscles more oxygen and energy. As a result, the body becomes ready to run away or defend itself. This survival mechanism evolved thousands of years ago. Even today, when the danger is just a scary movie or loud noise, the body reacts the same way. Your heart beats faster to prepare you for action. It's one of the most powerful survival instincts built into the human body. Blushing. Blushing is one of the most unique reactions in the human body. It happens when your face suddenly turns red during embarrassment or strong emotions. Blushing occurs because the blood vessels in your face widen. When you feel embarrassed, your brain activates the nervous system. This causes blood to flow more quickly to the skin of your face. As the blood vessels expand, your cheeks become warm and red. Interestingly, blushing is something that only humans do. Scientists believe it is connected to social communication and honesty. Blushing may signal to others that you feel embarrassed or self-aware. This may help maintain trust and understanding in social groups. Even though it can feel uncomfortable, blushing is actually a sign of emotional intelligence. Blinking. Blinking is a small but vital function in the human body. On average, humans blink about 15-20 times per minute. Blinking helps keep the eyes moist by spreading tears across the surface. This prevents dryness and irritation. It also protects the eyes from dust, debris, and bright light. The process is mostly involuntary, controlled by the brain and eyelid muscles. Interestingly, blinking also helps with focus and attention. During a blink, the brain briefly processes visual information, helping us stay alert. Babies blink less often, while adults blink more frequently. Some scientists even believe blinking can reflect emotions or stress levels. So next time you blink, remember, your eyes are performing an essential maintenance task. Hiccups. Hiccups are sudden, involuntary contractions of the diaphragm muscle. Each contraction is followed by a quick closure of the vocal cords, producing the familiar hic sound. Hiccups can happen for many reasons: eating too quickly, swallowing air, sudden excitement, or even stress. Most hiccups are harmless and stop on their own within a few minutes. Scientists still debate why hiccups exist. Some theories suggest they may be a leftover from our evolution, related to the way our ancestors swallowed and breathed. Others think hiccups might help prevent choking in infants. Interestingly, Certain remedies, like holding your breath, drinking water slowly, or swallowing sugar, may help stop hiccups. Despite being minor, hiccups are a curious reflex that everyone experiences. Fingers wrinkling in water. Have you noticed that your fingers and toes wrinkle after being in water for a while? This happens because of the autonomic nervous system. When the skin is submerged for several minutes, the blood vessels constrict, causing the skin to shrink and wrinkle. Interestingly, this reaction is not just a passive process. Scientists believe it evolved to improve grip in wet conditions. Wrinkled fingers and toes can help humans hold objects or climb surfaces more effectively when wet. The wrinkles act like treads on tires, giving better traction. This reflex is unique and automatic, and it disappears once the skin dries. It's a small but fascinating adaptation that shows how the human body prepares for environmental challenges. Growth during sleep. Growth during sleep is an essential function of the human body. Most growth hormone is released during deep sleep stages, especially in children and teenagers. This hormone stimulates the growth of bones, muscles, and other tissues. Deep sleep allows the body to repair and regenerate cells effectively. Quality sleep also supports brain development and strengthens the immune system. Lack of sleep can reduce growth and affect overall health. Interestingly, the body grows more at night because it's resting, conserving energy, and focusing on repair and development. Even adults experience cellular repair during sleep. This is why getting enough good quality sleep is crucial for healthy growth and maintenance.